Ubuntu is one of the most popular Linux distributions out there. It features a beautiful user interface that is clean, polished, and easy to use. Prepackaged with Firefox web browser, LibreOffice, and other handy tools, it's ready for use right out of the box. However, Ubuntu has one major problem: its package manager. For those of you that aren't aware, a package manager is an incredibly useful tool that comes built in with most Linux distributions. Package manager makes it easy to install and remove apps and games, but aside from that, it also ensures that your system remains up to date. Finally, the package manager removes obsolete packages and dependencies to reduce the system clutter. So obviously a package manager is a very important component in a Linux distribution, so it's important that it works well. Ubuntu has two package managers actually, apt and snap. Now apt is the default Debian package manager that also exists in Ubuntu because Ubuntu is based off Debian. And snap packages run on a variety of Linux distributions. Programs packaged as snaps can run on almost any Linux distro, while apt requires a Debian-based Linux distribution to run. Ubuntu software, the system's app store, is completely broken. Right out of the gate, icons are likely missing, and when you select a category, it's gonna take forever to load, if it does at all. Trying to install any application will likely result in an error code. If the app you are trying to install has both an apt and a snap version, which is likely, Ubuntu will choose between the two for you. Normally I'd be okay with this if it worked, but 9 times out of 10 it installs the snap, even though the apt package is generally better. Of course, the terminal can be used to solve this problem. You just open up the terminal and remove the snap and install the apt package by just entering a few commands, but all in all, it's a huge waste of time. Why would I want to manually install everything from the command line when other distros, such as Linux Mint, have a fully working package manager that is so much quicker and easier to use? While it would otherwise be a great daily driver for me, until Canonical can fix Ubuntu's broken package management system, you won't be seeing me using the distribution.